Hey guys, greetings from um, cloudy, crappy, rainy Illinois today. So it's all right. Rain makes corn, so um, we're getting some moisture in the ground. So I guess we can't complain too much. Anyway, this video is not about the rain or the weather or me going on. What I want to tell you guys about is on March 27th, which is a week from Saturday, we are going to be set up with our good friends at B&B Farm Toys over in Penfield, Illinois at the I&I Tractor Club building. So we'll be there from 9 to 3, I think, is the plan. So kind of a short little thing, but there's going to be a ton of toys there, guys. So we'll bring our parts, we'll have our glue, and all that sort of thing that we normally do. As well as custom tractors. We'll have a few custom implements. We'll have some kits, things of that nature. We're going to have some new in the box stuff as well. So if you're kind of in that eastern part of Illinois, western Indiana, or if you just feel like taking a little bit of a drive to see some farm toys and have a chance to buy some farm toys, come join us that day. There are going to be door prizes, I think. We're trying to come up with some door prizes ourselves. So anyway, I heard B&B is going to have some really cool door prizes, so we'll do some ourselves. And like I said, just going to have a good time. Come over and talk tractors with us and look at the toy tractors. So hope to see you there, March 27th, 9 to 3 at the I&I Tractor Club building in Penfield, Illinois. All right, guys, have yourselves a great day and happy tractor hunting.